Good evening, guys. We are back again with another video to predict tea time for today, 28, or to predict for today. Unfortunately, like they didn't update. What do we call it? They didn't update today's draw. So I hope you remember. Let me just do a recap of what we did. Of what we did. Remember we had 180 as a code. We multiplied this and this. We said 12 times 15, so it gave us 180. So I told you that it's either 8 or 10, 8, 1. One of these should drop, so one came as a bonus. So we got one number so far. I'll go to the result, guys. Please don't worry, just bear with me. I'll go to the results, just bear with me. And again, I told you that we multiply by this by by 6. I told you that we multiplied this by 6, so it gave us the code 228. So 22 came on lunch. So we got on lunchtime today, we got two numbers, which was 1 and 22. And 1, as said, I gave you 4 numbers and 1 was in that numbers. So I told you, like, make sure that you play them as singles. So 1 came out of 4 numbers. So guys, it's a boom for us. So let me just go to the, I don't know why they haven't updated the lunchtime for today. Maybe I was, oh come on. Okay, let me try to get the result. Okay, I got the result for today. So the one that I was talking about is here. As you can see, the 22 I was talking about is here. And I told you that 10 was a banker. So 10 came as a 1, but at least I had a 1 on our what do you call it, on our prediction. Yes, so let's predict for tomorrow at least. This is not a good how can I put it, it is not a good website to use for prediction, but this is what we have so far. So we just have to, so is this the okay, tea time is here for yesterday. So you know where we got it, numbers. So let's firstly use the very same strategy to predict for tea time. We said this times this, we said 12 times 15, it gave us 180. So that's where we got 1. That's where we got 1. It was, the code was 180. So that is why that is where we got to, that is where we got 1. So we are using the very same strategy here. We are using the very same strategy, which is 19 multiplied by 1. Obviously it is 19. So we have 19 to drop on T. We have 9. We have 1 again. I'll share my bankers. So we have 1 again. So So those are guys, this is wasting my time. I don't know why they haven't updated. Let me check if they did update on that lottery, extreme lottery, what. Okay guys, I guess we will have to use this because that is what we have now. Okay, I gave you 1991 so far. So again, we have let's try this from the tea time yesterday, which is 15 multiplied by 13, so is 195. You see where 19 came from. I guess you see where 19 came from. So let's do the same on today's lunchtime to predict tea time. So obviously it will be 21. 21 can come 2 and 1. So when we say 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3 can also come. So out of these numbers, 1 should drop, guys. I guarantee you 1 should drop. So I guess we are moving forward. I'll give you bankers. Don't worry. Just keep on following. Let me see if they haven't used any if they haven't used any how can okay, if they haven't used any sequence, but unfortunately I see none. So guys, we are saying the sixth number here, which is 49, we minus it with the sixth number on the previous draw, so it will be 49 minus 38, so we have 11. 11 is the first banker. First banker is 11. First banker. Then the second is the second banker. Okay, I'll write them. Let me not write them now. So guys, we have 11 so far. So we are saying this again, which is we are saying this times 6 is 49 times 6, 294. I told you about 9, I told you about 2. So here we have 29, 49 again. We have 24. We have 42. Yeah, that's what we have. Then from there we have 9 again. We have 4 and 2. And remember, we had 9 and 2. So again here we have them. So 9 and 2 have a high possibility of dropping. Dropping, guys. So let me see what number are we getting again. So we are saying 30 multiplied by 4. 30 is here. Multiply by 4. We get 120. We are expecting 12. We are expecting 12, 20, 10, 2, 1. So out of these numbers, two numbers should drop. Guys. I don't think I'll give you too many numbers today. So now let me give you bankers. Let me just give you bankers. Yeah, let me give you bank. Okay, let me check here. It was 27. I'll give you bankers just now, guys. Please be patient. I'm checking something. I just want to make sure that we boom when we boom pick. That is what I want to assure you, that if we boom pick. Okay, okay. So we have bankers that we have. Okay, let me write on top, because bankers, guys, we have 3, we have 10, we have 12, we have 11. So these are the bankers that we have so far. We have 3, we have 10, 12, 11. So guys, out of this, how many? Out of these 4 numbers, I'm expecting 2. I am expecting 2 numbers out of these 4 numbers. I'm very positive with these bankers, guys. I'm very positive. So please make sure that you do play these bankers, guys. Make sure that you do play these bankers. Okay, that's all I have for you. That's all I have for you, guys. Thank you. Okay, and again, look at this. Let me show you this, guys. Let me show you this. Take this and multiply it together. 30 minus 30 multiplied by the date. 30 is 30 multiplied by 28 is 8. Okay, is 840. So 48, 40, and 8. Oh, guys, please add 8 to the bankers. Add 8 to the bankers. Thank you.